Welcome back to Paper Mario and the Origami. Hey, let's get that bench.
The Origami, hey, let's get that bench. Here on Gaming Cats and Dogs, we don't like to complete our sentences. We are more concerned about making paper mache benches.
That's what I got her for, to finish my sandwiches.
That's what I was gonna say. It's hard to relax while there are paper macho bad guys stomping through town. I don't know why macho's such a difficult word for me to say.
Battle Lab, training tough toads tirelessly.
Ugh.
Okay, nothing's gonna be open until I take on these goons. Let it be done!
Did you just call them goons?
Yep, they're goons.
Gotta get these goons.
They're Bowser's goons.
I like to call the bad guy goon. I'm the main bad guy and these are my goons.
These are my goons.
Keep it on the down low, would ya? I'm just trying to save my own sniff, if you catch my drift. Hiding out here until them things are history. I suppose I could sell you some stuff while I'm here. Hey, I'm not the owner. Have a sample in the house. The first one is free.
Oh!
Espresso! Get him espresso!
Okay. Rabbit espresso.
Thanks. Now scram!
Oh my god, I could drink coffee all day.
Shit. Gotcha!
Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! I like the little sad face flags.
I'm trying to figure out how to hit these things without getting hit myself.
From behind, maybe?
Guess you just gotta keep hitting them from behind.
Hit it from behind!
Is that the newspaper? Trim hasn't arrived, snacks are running low, morale even lower. Send help and snacks. Whoever wrote this game needs a raise.
Oh my god, I love it. Life goals as a writer.
Send help and snacks.
Send help and snacks!
Shit. Okay, I got it now. See, I can't hit him when... I got it now. So when he like rocks back and forth, he's vulnerable. Poof.
Toodaloo.
Finally inside something. Shut up. That really broke you, didn't it?
It was just a perfect timing.
I thought you might be one of those hideous folded guys or something. What are those folded things anyway? I've been hiding here since the moment I saw one.
Nothing else? No? No? Oh, I thought that was like one of those things. Yeah, well.
How do you get up there to get the coins?
I don't know. I can't do anything else. Well, well. Like, I'm just under the assumption that you learn more abilities later on, so you can come back and do this. If not, I'll learn the hard way, I guess.
Well, the music is intense now, so something's coming.
Yeah. You're right about that. I just wish I could jump higher. I'm Mario, for God's sakes. The dock, you're on it.
Man, what men can't jump?
Sorry I missed you. I'll be at Autumn Mountain until the winds change. See Captain Toad. Ooh, Autumn Mountains. Perfect for this time of year, you say?
I think so. Fall is my favorite.
For all 2 weeks of it.
If we get
Like
that.
an item shop. What could this be? Ooh! Check this out.
Go down the pipe.
One world, one pipe. A functional art installation celebrating large-scale plumbing. Oh, look at this.
Whoa, there are so many cool pipes. Bet you've never seen anything like this before. I just want Mario to give her, like, the side-eye glance of, like, really? I'm Mario. The other end of the pipe is blocked. He's a plumber. Fix it.
Okay, I have an idea of what this is. Oof. Like later on, you're gonna go to like different regions, and you're gonna find like the other warp pipe, and it's gonna lead you back here for fast travel.
Okay.
Just a hunch.
Well, that would certainly be. What was the big one in the middle?
The last one, I can almost guarantee. Nope.
Mario is me at any art museum. Let me in.
Treasure gallery.
Just gonna touch everything.
Origami character gallery.
I'm not allowed in art museums anymore.
Probably the music. Okay, so these are all like bonus features.
Well, it's really weird because there is no music playing in the art museum.
I'll keep track of that. Alright. We did enough diddling around. Let's go. Oh.
Oh, there's a pipe.
Ouch. Some bad plumbing here.
Mario's like, I'm gonna have to get my toolbox. Find my brother. And charge outrageous rates.
Toad Town is in ruins. Paper mache monstrosities rule the streets. For now I flee. Long live the princess.
Huh? Long live the king.
I'll take your money.
I appreciate that you break into his home, read his journal, and then steal his money.
That's the fee I charge for saving his house from the monster. All done for a nominal fee.
All done for a nominal fee. I feel like these are gonna be all the sad letters of like, our home is in ruins. Or you're just gonna find like a dead Luigi.
Ooh. Oh. Alright, got a camp speaker. I want a sword. Screw the hammer, I want a sword.
Smash it with a hammer!
Hey, you. Hey, you. I'm talking to you.
I wonder if in the front you can go into that like little side yard.
Yeah, that's what. Yeah, you can. Yay.
Yay. Stimulate the
Fun,
economy.
funky, and functional accessory shop.
Oh, yes.
Nope. Oh, no. Not
No
yet.
shopping.
No shopping. Not yet.
I guess they're not essential workers.
Hey! We did one!
Oh, and it wasn't blocked? I mean,
So that's how they work.
okay.
Hey!
What? The bridge is broken? Now how are we going to get to Peach's castle? It's not like we can just jump in an underground tube, travel through it somehow, and pop up on the other side, can we?
Heh.
Wow.
Alright. Is this the tube, or do we gotta find another? Probably another one.
Yeah, that one you just popped up in. Oh,
Oh, hang
look.
in there, buddy.
Got you.
Oof!
Oh, I love them.
Hey, thanks for that. I owe you one. Ooh, but I can pay you back right now with information. If you're trying to get to Peach's castle, you can take the sewer over there.
Oh, okay.
Oh, hey, thanks.
Over here? Sewer over there. Graffiti underground. Toad Town entrance. Technically, it's a sewer.
Ah,
Oh, come on.
Mario.
Oh, I forgot to mention that you need a special manhole hook to get down there.
I think my friend is using it right now. Just look for a red shy guy like me, but not quite as handsome.
Ah,
Alright. That's fair enough. I felt this was going a little too Oh, hey! Found him!
oh, no.
Save me!
Look at it. I'm over here. Oh.
Hang on, I'll come rescue you. Just hang in there.
Hanging. He is. He's like, I'm hanging in there. I'm
I'm
hanging out of his
hanging, I'm
mouth.
hanging. You gotta be kidding me.
Mario, buddy, do you even lift, bro?
He's probably blocking it.
I just pictured, like, more. Wait, that opens.
Yeah, it did. Can I... Aha! Get me out of there.
There you
Save
go.
him!
There you go! Just pictured Mario with the gem. Like doing mad reps.
Gotcha! You're doing it!
You're doing it!
It's like Richard Simmons.
Sweating to the oldies. You're doing it!
Woo!
If anyone could defeat the world's largest and most disgusting Goomba, I knew it'd be you, Mario.
Hold on! You're red, just like that other shy guy, and nearly as handsome. So do you have the thing we need to open the sewer lid?
I don't know what you're talking about, but that hook isn't here. Check out the red brick building at the port. That's where I left it.
Oh, thank you! Should we go check it out, Mario?
Okay. Just let me gather the innards of that monster.
The shrapnel of the broken villain.
Fixed your door.
Fixed your door. I'll charge my nominal fees later.
Any coin I find belongs to me. Okay. It's this way.
I wonder if, like, the torn paper and stuff around is just aesthetic or if it does anything.
Well, you gotta tear this off.
Maybe your... Oh, I thought maybe your 1,000-fold arm.
Yeah, I'm wondering when we use that again.
Your 37-folded arms.
Oh, well, look at that. The red building. Oh, so back here.
Oh, because you can go inside now. Oh, well, wait.
I already could go inside. Well, that hammer of yours sure can shake things up. Did those boxes just move? Hit it again. Oh, I see.
Oh. How about that?
Well, I gotta find something to grab. I'm looking for something to grab.
The windowsill, maybe?
I'm trying. That's as high as I can go.
And stretch it out, guys.
And stretch. And go. And stretch.
Make sure you're getting those traps all loosened up.
Oh, hello, Mr. Magic Circle. We meet again. Really? You're not gonna tell me how to use it? I feel stupid.
She literally gave so many instructions the entire time. And the one time where we're like, okay, cool, a little bit of instruction would be nice. She's just like, no, figure it out.
Oh, okay. Got it. Oh, I thought I could knock it down. Oh, got him.
Wave battle.
Bring it on!
Goomba Goomba.
Piece of the cake.
Slow motion.
Yahoo!
Ah, yahoo!
It's the last wave. Uh-oh. Guess it's time to switch to the slide. Go the other way.
Huh.
Got him.
I like it. I like it very much.
Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you very much. You ain't nothing but a hound dog. Right on time.
Hooray!
Collect all the pieces of the dead bodies.
I push these?
Wait, I wonder, can you... There's a little crate on the bottom in the corner on the floor.
Yeah.
Can you jump on that and
Yeah.
then jump? Oh, you still can't. Still can't jump high enough.
Right.
Wow.
I wonder.
There's... Oh.
Got it.
Hey, that's how UPS handles my packages. This is fragile. I'm gonna hit it with a hammer.
Hey, I got it.
The manhole hook.
So that's a useful item. Look, I went out the window. Woohoo! Perfect.
Perfecto.
So can I buy one? I mean, I got so many coins.
Shh, what are you having?
Okay, cool. Let's have a turtle tea. It's just 20 coins.
Turtle tea.
Thanks, now scram. Oh, I'm so slow. Well, I guess that makes sense. Turtle tea.
You should have got the coffee.
Yeah, I should have got the coffee. Ugh. Oh, what's in here? Housekeeping.
Housekeeping.
Ah! Damn you.
Creeper.
Okay, let's see.
Just turn them to the right twice. The second row.
Oh.
Second, yeah. Other right. There you go. There you go, friend. One more time.
Okay.
Mario!
Da, da, da. Kerpaloony.
Whoop whoop!
Look at all that. Whoop. Ah.
It's kind of like a cute setup for a house, though, with like the loft.
Oh, look at that. Oh.
Look at the little portrait.
Yeah.
Aw.
How the heck? Ew. I don't think I can get over there.
Oh well, there is a
Gotta get that sticker. Oh, I gotta go up and around.
there's a
Find another way inside. Yeah.
treasure chest as well.
There's a sticker blocking it. Okay. And did we go in here yet? No, we did not.
Ooh,
Confiscating this.
Mario-
Alrighty.
Mario's just looting the village.
I'm the hero. Alright, in the next part, we're gonna go underground into the sewers.